Hello, future engineers, viewers, subscribers, and students. There is a video on continuous beams with support movements, and I'll present the solution by three-moment equations. I just share this with my students, and for those who want challenging problems, just look for many problems I uploaded in my YouTube channel. So here is the problem. For the beam shown, determine the internal and external reactions at the supports by three-moment equations. EI is constant at 100,000 kilonewton meter square. The support downward movements A 4 mm, B 15 mm, C 9 mm, and D 6 mm. Also construct the shear force and moment diagrams and sketch the elastic curve. So here is the given figure. Uh, these are the support movements and indicated downward movements. So let's set up three-moment equation for beam ABC. Take note that moment at A is 0. So we have 0 plus MB quantity 5 plus 6. So 0 plus 2 times MB quantity 5 plus 6 plus MC times 6 plus integral, this is 24. So integral of 24 dx times 2 plus x divided by 5, the span, then quantity 5 squared minus quantity 2 plus x squared, the distance of the strip from the left support. Then for the right support, we have a direct formula for this, W24, 6 cubed over 4. Then equals 6 EI, 6 times 100,000, quantity 0.011 over 5 plus 0.006 over 6. 0.011 is 11 mm in meter because support A is above the reference horizontal line through B by 11 mm, and 11 is 15 minus 4. So that's the explanation. Positive 11 mm or 0.011 over LAB, which is 5, plus C is above the horizontal line through B by 6 mm, 15 minus 9. So that's why you have plus 0.006 over 6. So remember the three-moment equation. Simplifying, we have 22 MB plus 6 MC equals 94.8. Call that equation 1. Then we write three-moment equations for the portion BCD. Moment at D is 0. Take note of that. So MB times 6 plus 2 times MC, quantity 6 plus 8 plus 0 plus W24 6 cubed over 4 plus 25 times B 4 all over L 8 quantity 8 square minus 4 square, and equals 600,000 or 6 times 100,000. The reference this time is the horizontal line through C. So B is below by 6 mm. So that's why it is treated negative 0.006 divided by 6. Then D is above C by 3 mm. So plus 0.003 divided by 8. So 600,000 quantity negative 0.006 over 6 plus 0.003 over 8. Simplifying, 6 MB plus 28 MC equals negative 2271. Solving equations 1 and 2 simultaneously, we get MB equals 28.070 kilonewton meter and MC equals negative 87.122 kilonewtons meter. We then apply these moments so that we can analyze the support reactions as shown in the figure. So first, considering AB, summation moment about B equals 0, RA times 5 equals 28.07 plus 24 times 3 times 1.5. So R sub A is equal to 27.214 kilonewtons. We then consider ABC, summation of moments about C equals 0, clockwise positive. So RA 27.214 times 11 plus RB times 6 equals negative 87.122 plus 24 times 9 times 4.5. So R sub B is equal to 97.587 kilonewtons. Then for portion CD, so this is negative 87.122 because the positive moment supposedly in CD is clockwise, but because it is negative, so we carry the sign. Summation moments about C equals 0 considering CD only. RD times 8 equals negative 87.122 plus 25 times 4. So R sub D is equal to 1.610 kilonewtons. Finally, considering the entire system, summation moment about D equals 0, clockwise positive. So 27.214 times 19 plus 97.587 times 14 plus RC times 8 equals 24 times 9, 4.5 plus 8 is 12.5, and plus 25 times 4. Solving for R sub C is 114.590 kilonewtons. I leave the process of checking these reactions, vertical reactions, by summing up forces Y. I already checked that. You verify that the answers are correct. We then prepare the shear force diagram. These are the values. So first, we have to rise from 0 to 27.214 as shown. Then between A and this point, no change in shear, so 27.214 minus 24 times 3. So 27.214 minus 24 times 3. So we have straight line negative 44.786. The negative 44.786. This distance where shear is 0 is determined by similar triangles, or the shortcut is 27.214 divided by W, which is 24. That's 1.134 meters. So this distance is 3 minus 1.134. That's 1.866 meters. Then negative 44.786 plus 97.587, we go up, and it is equal to 52.801. Then 52.801 minus 24 times 6, it is again straight line down to the right. It is equal to negative 91.199. Then this distance is 52.801 divided by 24. That's 2.200 meters. So this is 6 minus 2.200, 3.8 meters. Then negative 91.199 plus 114.59, that is equal to 23.391. 23.391, it's constant up to here. Then minus 25, negative 1.609. Then constant again up to here. Negative 1.609 plus 1.61, that's almost 0. So it closes. Next, for moment from 0, the area here is 27.214 times 2, that's 54.428. Then plus this area, which is 1/2 of 1.134 times 27.214, positive decreasing, that would be 69.858. Then 69.858 minus 1/2 of 1.866 times 44.786, that would be 28.072. Remember, the moment at B is 28.07. So the discrepancy, which is very, very negligible, is due to rounding of values. Then 28.072 plus this area, 1 half of 2.2 times 52.801 positive decreasing up to here, that would be equal to 86.154. 86.154 minus 1 half of 3.8 times 91.199, that's positive increasing, negative increasing rather, so it's negative 87.124. Take note that the moment at C is negative 87.122. Again, we have a very small discrepancy. Then negative 87.124 plus 23.391 times 4, it is going up 6.440. Then finally 6.440 minus 1.609 times 4, that's almost 0. So this is the moment diagram, and for the elastic curve, this portion is positive. We have points of inflection. We project these points of inflection, 0 moment. So connecting the supports, deflected or moved supports. So in this portion, concave up, point of inflection, concave down, another point of inflection, concave up, positive moment. So that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to follow the solutions and the explanations. If you want challenging ones, just look for examples in my YouTube channel, especially for different moment of inertias.